Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Laura Bruno, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you my recipe for chocolate cherry bundt cake. It's so delicious. I'll have all the ingredients listed in the description box, so let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to preheat your oven to 350. Then you need a bundt pan. That's a pan with, it's like a tube. Okay, this isn't a dirty pan. What you can do is spray it with the cooking spray and either flour the pan or you can use cocoa powder. And I decided to use the cocoa powder. So you just put the cocoa powder inside and swish it around, tap out the excess, and you're good to go. So in a large bowl, I have all the dry ingredients, and to this bowl, I'm going to be adding all the wet. So that's the oil, water, vanilla, and I'm just going to give it a mix. So once you have it mixed, you're going to add in your eggs, your plain yogurt, and you're going to give this a mix. So once you have that mixed, you're going to add in your softened butter, now you can use an electric whisk if you want, but why dirty up another thing? So once you have it all mixed, you set it off to the side just for a second. Take your bundt pan and your cherries, and what you're going to do with the cherries is put it into the bottom of the bundt pan. Just a thin layer. So once you put the cherries on the bottom of the bundt pan, so next you're going to take your chocolate and the cherries, and with the rest of the cherries, you're going to put it inside the chocolate. And you're going to fold the cherries in. Next, you're going to take your chocolate and just pour it inside the bundt pan. So once you have the chocolate inside the bundt pan, you're just going to even it out. So now it's time to bake this, and it's going into an oven which is 350, and it's going to cook between 45 to 50 minutes. And you can tell by inserting a toothpick, if the toothpick comes out clean, that means it's cooked. So I'll show you what it looks like when I take it out. So I just took the cake out of the oven. I let it cool for about 20 minutes. And what you're going to do is take a plate, put it on top of the cake, and then just flip it over. And here you have it, chocolate cherry bundt cake. It's so delicious. Okay guys, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Bye guys.